No, look.
What's your mushroom?
It's my mushroom. These are vegetables.
You love it? Show me how you eat your crab. No, you use the thing, the spoon. I saw you earlier putting the spoon in the butt. Go. Who showed you how to do that? Who showed you how to eat that? How about in there? There should be more here. Open it and use your spoon. Use the spoon, the end of the spoon.
This?
The other side.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Lift it up. Underneath there, underneath the shell. See?
Oh. Turn track.
See?
Turn track.
There, crab is falling out. Go get the small one. Yummy? Yummy? Here, look at mom. You love crab. How much?
What's show here?
Do you want to go with mom and dad? You have to leave now.
I really want the change first.
You really want the thing, the crab?
Cause
What? It's so hard to eat?
you help me.
No, Jared.
I don't know how.
Yes, you do. You're doing it yourself.
I'm almost sitting here and stand still. I need to take the track the shell in.
Are you having a hard time?
I see my head. Look at my head.
Oh no, look at me. You're so dirty now.
Crack, crack, crack. At the dog. Crack, 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 crack.
You love crab.
Yeah, it's a dark tiny. The spoon is in the dog. Oh, there.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. No more.